So I am back. Another mystery box. This is completely right. This is a bumper pop culture mystery box. Now this is labeled as anime and abstract. Don't know what that means, but anyway, I went to this place in Hatfield. I had a gallery. It's a shopping mall if you're not sure of it. And that's what this place called. What was it called? Fantasy Kingdom or whatever. Anyway, I'll pop a picture of it just around there. And yes, and there was a assortment of boxes, and I was like, loot box, don't do it, no. But I said fuck it, let's just go for it. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna open this box up and hopefully we get something of awe and amazing. And I just haven't wasted. This thing was not a small box, it's quite a big box, but it says 8 or more items for $24.99. So I spent £25 on this sucker. See if I am indeed a sucker, or if I made the right choice. As always, I've got myself my little ring. Opens up. It's a blade for cutting parchment boxes. And just in case anyone wants to mess with me, I got my little blade. Yeah, right. Time for the reveal. Let's hope. This, I haven't bought a mystery box in such a fucking long time. And you know what? I had to. You know what? The store was so cool. It was literally like what my store was like, but just so much more. And they've got stuff out in the open and not behind glass cabinets where people can't touch it and steal it. So, but purely why my shit's everything locked behind cabinets. But yeah, this stuff was cool, and I wanted to buy so much stuff. But I was like, I've got everything, but so much stuff. I can't go to another retail store and buy more anime and gaming merch if I've got everything already. Hopefully this is going to be interesting. And yes, oh, moment of truth. Okay, so straight away we've got ourselves a icon cushion. So it's a giant Pikachu cushion. Oh my days, oh my days. Oh, what is this? What on earth is this? What, some Yu-Gi-Oh top trumps, some actual Yu-Gi-Oh top trumps. Me, you know what? I have to give homage out there, man. The guy behind this card game passed away, and this is nice to see this, you know. So I've got some Yu-Gi-Oh top trumps. It's the next thing we've got here. We've got ourselves this little keychain here. What is this from? What's this? A Unicorn Kingdom. It's not an anime one, but it's got little poo-poo thing it's doing, these poo-poo keychain things. So we got that. Alright, that's the second thing. We've got a mug here. So the mug is from 7 Deadly Sins. I watched season 1. Not a huge fan. And it's got the characters printed just there as well. So I'll probably stick this in the store, and probably someone can buy this. So next thing. I've got a Unicorn Dream tin pencil case. Again, I don't get it. This is not anime. Give me an anime fucking pencil case. Complete waste. Pushin Super Minis. I've got some of these. I've actually got some of these super pushing plush things and stuff. I've got that. Man, this is not worth the money I've spent, but hopefully this is a 3D. What is this? What on earth is this? Okay, so it's a figurine thing. Okay, figurine thing. So got this thing here, and finally we've got ourselves a book, a notebook. So run this down. Let's have a look. £25 I've spent. So books, what, £5? Another £5 maybe. The mug maybe at most £10. So you've got £20 there, and then you've got the top trumps. I want to keep the top trumps. Yes, they're cool. I don't have Yu-Gi-Oh top trumps, but I do want to kind of keep this. So I don't know. Maybe another £5. So about you got £25 worth of stuff there, and then you've got your giant cushion. So that's like £10 for the cushion. So £35 of stuff. Little keyring, a couple of quid for the keyring. These aren't expensive. These are like £5 for these things. So you've got about £40, 40 something, £41. A couple quid for this. It's about £43 worth of stuff if you want it for the value of 25, which isn't too bad. We'll call it around £40 worth of stuff for £25. The best thing, obviously, the Pikachu thing. I'm not sure about that. It's not really anime. The mug is cool, but if it was like a Demon Slayer mug, I'll be sick. But guess not. It's just stuff that they can't just bundled in. But I thought it would be better. But yeah, gacha is gacha, I guess. Anyway, this has been the mystery box. So if you guys are in around Hatfield and you do go to the Galleria, you can check out the store and see if you can go there and pick out a box and tell me what you got if you've got a box. If not, you know, why the hell not? You know, just try your luck. Maybe you might get something better. But this is what I got, and this has been Ace. This has been another mystery box. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Ace out. Boom.